Hey everyone, welcome to Isaac's Magical Toy Closet. Today we are going to open the Game of Life electronic banking set. So we are going to use cards, not cash, to store millions on our bank card. I haven't played the Game of Life yet because I think we're so focused on Monopoly that we kind of ignore the other games out there. But I saw this somewhere and I got intrigued and I got it. So here it is. I think it basically teaches you about life. So I think this is a good game for kids, for teaching them about life. Let's check it out. This is the guide. Again, I don't know how to play this, but we will not go into that anymore. I'll just show you the contents of this set. So the game board is just like Monopoly, because it's a Hasbro game as well. So you need to spin to win. And here's the spinner, which is cool. There. And then this is the electronic terminal for the cards. I don't know if it has batteries. I think it doesn't have batteries. Oh, those are the cards. Cool. Cool. And then these are the cards for the properties. I think just like Monopoly. I don't know what these are. And then the cars, because you will use cars in this game. What? The cars look weird. There, I don't know what these are. Let us check. So, you give each player one car, one token, one bank card, and one peg. Alright. Oh, so you need to pop the peg in your car and place it on the start space. Then put your token, the silver one, to the center of the spin to win circle on the game board. Split the cards and choose your path, career or college. I think we are going to have a blast playing this game. This is gonna be a surprise. Isaac is again taking a shower, and I used the opportunity to open this and to shoot a video. So guys, I hope you like this set. I know we are going to like playing this later. Please stay tuned for more toys unboxing videos, and don't forget to hit like and to subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye!